MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com and State Farm.
This time we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of fixing anything, and that's cleaning parts. Now, here's something that we're all familiar with in the repair business, CRC products. And to tell us about a new CRC product, we have Julie Williams from CRC. Julie, welcome to Goss's Garage.
Thank you, Pat.
All right, now tell us about what you have here.
So this is our newest parts washer. It's CRC Smartwasher Brenchtop Pro. It's a bioremediating parts washer, which means it's self-cleaning and you don't ever have to haul away hazardous waste.
Ah, now how does it self-clean?
So it uses microbes to clean the oil and grease that goes into the fluid, to our patented degreasing solution, and so that the fluid is clean for the next time you're ready to use it.
Okay. Now, this is something that's vital to us in the repair business, and anybody that does anything at all should have some form of parts cleaner, if nothing else, to clean the tools.
That's right. We were talking earlier, and you mentioned it's very important to have clean tools and clean parts when you're doing your repair work. And now we allow the home user and the small repair shop to clean just like the professionals do in their shop environment.
All right, and this is water-based.
That's correct. We focus on the environmental and safety of the employees by coming out with a water-based technology that cleans as well as a solvent-based product. So the difference is when you're using solvent materials, you can only clean metal parts. With a water-based machine, you can clean coated parts, painted surfaces, plastics. It's much more versatile, and it's definitely much more environmentally friendly and safer for the employees who are using it.
So I can clean my insulated pliers in here.
That's right, yes.
All right. Now, the machine itself, let's turn this on.
Sure.
And you have a flow-through brush.
Right, so you just depress the actuator and the BT5 degreasing solution comes out as a flow, and you can clean your parts. The beauty of this is it's not submerged, so your parts aren't submerged in fluid. They're literally sitting on a basin, and the fluid goes all into the bottom of the smart washer.
Okay. Now, here's some examples of things we might clean in a repair shop. Bearings are no problem. Something like this would be no problem except for the electronics.
Correct, right. So you would never want to submerge the electronics, but with this part you could carefully brush around them and clean everything else without harm to the plastic.
All right, and without cleaning, a lot of repairs are not going to be successful.
Correct, right. You want to make sure all the grease is cleaned off the parts and the dirt, and then you can put them back as if you were getting a new part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Julie, thank you. And if you have a question or a comment, drop us a line right here at MotorWeek.